Hola friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in. Today we're going to be getting into this hair and some makeup. It's very soft and warm, it's soft glam, all my favorite things. The hair turned out flawless. I'm loving this new little wig. So yeah, we're going to be getting into this look. If you want to see how I got it, make sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little notification bell that we get notified anytime that I make a new upload. So go ahead and stretch yourself out, do a little stretchy stretch, and get your tea, get your coffee, get your your drink, your snacks, and let's get into this tutorial. So of course I'm going to be starting off with the hair. I always do hair first, then makeup. That's just my my flow of things. We do actually have a hair sponsor for today's video. Thank you so much to RPGhair for sponsoring today's video, sending over this really flawless HD lace wig. She's giving. You guys, this might be like one of my favorite, like my top 5 favorite wigs that I've ever worn. It's really beautiful. I love the texture of this hair. It's just like, it reminds me of my natural hair when I have it like in a blowout or something, when it's just like blow dried and everything. But yeah, I love the texture of this hair. It's really pretty. Surprise, surprise, I'm gonna be doing the bald cap method. I haven't done this in forever, so I wasn't even sure if I could do it. But yeah, I tried on this wig a couple of days before filming this tutorial and noticed that this wig is probably going to look a whole lot better if I ended up doing the bald cap method, because the lace on this wig is so thin. So I decided that I was going to go ahead and do the bald cap method this time around. So I went in with the Ebin lace adhesive spray, the Supreme Holds one, to secure the wig cap. I applied that onto the edges. I cut little holes by the ears so that way the lace I was gonna say lace cap. So that way the wig cap lies flat against like my sideburns. So definitely a tip that I've learned is make sure that the lace adhesive or whatever adhesive you're using to secure your wig cap down when you're doing the bald cap method, make sure it's completely dry before you go into like securing your lace wig. I did actually use a lace tint also to tint the wig cap on just on the edges though. I didn't want to like go in and do like the whole entire wig cap. That's not really necessary. I use the shade dark brown from Ebin. I also like to use this on the actual lace of my wigs, but today I decided I was just going to use it on the wig cap. After that, I went ahead and started securing this lace wig from, again, this is from RPGhair. I'm going to leave all of the information for this wig down below in the description box, so if you have any questions about the wig, just make sure to check the description box. And to secure our wig down today, I use Ebin's Wonder Lace Bond lace adhesive. This is their Supreme Lace Bond. Love this stuff, especially when I'm doing like a reinstall or when I already have the lace cut like I do with this wig. It just makes everything like super easy because I can place the adhesive exactly where I want it to go. This definitely has a stronger hold compared to like the spray-on adhesive that you guys usually see me use. So I made sure to really like avoid my edges. That's like kind of one of the pluses of doing the bald cap method. It kind of like protects your edges from your lace glue and like your lace adhesives. So I'm just going to add this adhesive, wait until it dries clear before I lay the lace down. And as you guys can see, it's giving like flawless. It's so like, I was so proud of myself because I hadn't done the bald cap method in so long, but it ended up looking really good. So yay. I'm telling you guys, this wig is giving me all kinds of life. I love it so much. I don't know, I've never really been like a fan of like super silky straight hair. Like it's definitely a vibe like every now and again, but for the most part I usually gravitate towards wigs that have like more texture to them, especially ones that are like really close to like the texture of my natural hair. And I think that's the reason why I love this particular wig so much, because it just reminds me of like my natural hair right now. Like I'm relaxed. When my hair is straight, it still has like, it's not like perfectly silky straight. There's still a little bit of texture there, and that's literally like how this wig feels. My relaxed hair like after it's been blow dried. I'm then gonna finish off this install with my elastic band. I like to just like use it to further secure like the lace and really get it to melt down. I left it on for about like 5 to 10 minutes or so. I'm such a slowpoke when it comes to doing my hair because I'm like an ultra perfectionist. I want like everything to be perfect. So I was already like doing my hair for like about an hour like after I was done with like the bald cap method and everything. At that point I was like, you know what, I'm just ready to, let's just keep it simple with the styling. So I just did my edges. I did like some soft swoops on the temples and a little one on the center there. And I used the pink spritz to hold everything down. I only only used a tiny bit because I kind of wanted the edges to be a little bit on the softer side. So I just added that spritz to the roots to, you know, make sure that the hair lays, you know, in the right direction and everything. Usually when I don't know what I'm going to do with my hair, or when I know I want to keep it simple, I just do like my signature side part. So that's kind of like what I did today. The parting space on this wig is something serious. There's so much space to do like tons of different styles. It's one of my favorite parts about this wig. I already know that I'm going to come back and do like different styles with this wig because there's just so much parting space, so much lace to like, you know, do different things with this wig. So I went for my signature style. I did a deep side part, used my hot comb to kind of get everything to lay flat. So you guys can see that the hair is straight right now. This is literally the wig right out of the packaging. I didn't do any type of bleaching, any plucking, nothing. I just like took this hair out of the package and like installed it from there. Like I didn't do anything else to it besides like cut the extra lace off. So you can wear the hair like this and style it while it's straight, or you can activate the curls, which is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wear this hair curly. So I'm gonna go in with some water first, saturate the hair with water, and then I'll go in with my curl defining products. I'm using Lotta Body's Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and I'm also gonna use a small, just a small smidge bit of the olive oil eco styler gel. I definitely wanted to show you guys how you can switch between the two different textures with just a little bit of water and some styling products. And you guys know me, I love curly hair, so anytime that I get to wear some curly hair, I'm always here for it. But yeah, so that's pretty much it for the hair. Thank you so much to RPGhair for sponsoring today's video, sending over this wig, and that completes today's hair and makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Definitely give this a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what you think of the look down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Sending lots of love to you guys, and hopefully I will see you in the next one.